before we open. So this is our first exclusive service center in the Philippines. So it's supporting mobile device as well as UV-bag. So in the future, some of the AIoT device will also be supported, hopefully by next year. So the first step here is customer can visit us as long as their phone is intended for Philippines and has warranty Philippines. They can get free of charge repair and support of device support as well as replacement if needed. So yung first step is they can get yung gift ticket here, pwedeng repair, pick up, or customer support service. And afterwards, yeah.
Sir Joel Salero is our after-sales manager for Xiaomi.
For Xiaomi. Okay. Thank you. So afterwards, after they've been called sa front desk depending on their number. They should present their device as well as their concern. Ang important is to get warranty kung kailangan yung receipt, proof of purchase, and the IMEI. In case that they don't have the IMEI, we can easily see it naman sa system namin. Even though they bought it online or the offline stores, we can see it in the system. Kung kailan siya inactivate at intended ba siya for Philippines or not. So once na-retrieve na yung device, the turnaround time usually within 1 day for easy quick fix. But for complex cases, we're targeting 3 to 5 days. Okay? So easily available naman yung yung parts natin dito and devices present. Okay. Yeah, so this is a very first exclusive service. And then not only that, it's also have a retail shop that you can easily browse and choose your device, AIoT ecosystem and mobile. Again, thank you for attending this.